IBM BigFix helps find, fix, and secure endpoints fast. IBM BigFix Inventory provides the foundation for software license control to improve compliance while reducing costs and risk. It discovers all licensed and unlicensed software with in-depth granularity across all operating systems and devices. A major retailer was struggling to manage rising software costs and at the same time noticed a sizable uptick in the number of installations of Microsoft Office across corporate and employee-owned devices. For several consecutive years, failed software license audits led to compliance fines that ran into the hundreds of thousands. In addition, users were installing Dropbox, an unauthorized software application which was against company policy. Installation of this software introduced vulnerabilities that put company and customer data at risk. Let's look at how BigFix saved this retailer millions in software costs and license compliance fines. With BigFix, the IT admin got a detailed report of all discovered software aggregated by vendor. The IT admin was able to see the report for all Microsoft products and drill down to a particular application like Microsoft Office. Usage data like total runs and runtime statistics allowed the IT admin to determine how often the product was used by a user. The IT admin is then able to proactively uninstall unused or underutilized applications to significantly reduce license costs. In this instance, the IT admin was able to uninstall Microsoft Office and replace it with Microsoft Office Viewer. The IT admin was also looking to prevent the use of unauthorized software which could lead to potential security risks. In this instance, the IT admin was looking for any installations of Dropbox which was against company policy. The Scanned File Data Report collects system files from the managed computers. BigFix allows you to apply blacklist filtering criteria to find endpoints that have unauthorized products, system files, and executables. The IT admin in this instance was able to filter data for Dropbox to find exposed, non-compliant computers and visualize its location path for easy removal. Dropbox was then uninstalled from the non-compliant endpoints. IBM BigFix Inventory manages software assets across hundreds of thousands of endpoints, delivers a comprehensive software identification catalog, enables enhanced reporting to help ensure license compliance, and provides discovery for software, processes, and file systems, along with usage and metering. For more information and the latest news on IBM BigFix, visit our website www.bigfix.com.